Listen, we all know a new year means a fresh start, and for a lot of us, that means finally getting our finances in order. So in this video, we're going to break down exactly how to do that with a 12-month roadmap designed to help you build wealth and achieve financial freedom. We're talking actionable steps you can take each month to level up your financial game. Let's dive in. Alright, so it's January, the decorations are down, and you're probably still recovering from the holiday spending hangover. The new year is a great opportunity to reset and refocus on your financial health. This is the perfect time to take a deep dive into your finances and figure out exactly where you stand. Understanding your financial position is crucial for making informed decisions. I'm talking about creating a financial snapshot. This snapshot will serve as the foundation for all your financial planning. That means tracking down every dollar coming in, every dollar going out, and understanding your spending habits. List out all your assets. That's your savings, investments, and any other valuable items you own. Even that old car you're trying to sell and all your debts. Credit cards, student loans, personal loans, the whole 9 yards. Knowing your liabilities is just as important. Once you have a clear picture of your current financial situation, you can start setting some really specific, measurable goals for the year ahead. These goals will guide your financial decisions. Trust me, you don't want to skip this step. It's essential for your financial success. It's like trying to build a house without a foundation. Without a solid financial base, your plans can easily crumble. In February, we're going beyond spreadsheets and budgets and diving deep into the most important financial asset you have, your mindset. Your mindset shapes your financial reality. Look, you can have all the financial tools and knowledge in the world, but if you don't truly believe you can build wealth, you're going to self-sabotage every step of the way. It's crucial to align your thoughts with your financial goals. This month, I want you to focus on cultivating what I call a wealth consciousness. This means developing a mindset that is open to receiving and creating wealth. And a great way to do that is by reading books like Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. These books offer timeless wisdom and strategies. This book, and others like it, will help you reprogram your subconscious mind to attract abundance and success. They provide practical steps to shift your mindset. Remember, your thoughts become your reality, so make sure you're thinking like the wealthy, successful person you want to become. Embrace the mindset of abundance and watch your financial life transform. All right. Now that we've got the right mindset, it's time to tackle your budget in March. And no, I'm not talking about restrictive, joyless budgeting. I'm talking about creating a system that gives you complete control over your money so you can spend on the things you value most without the guilt. One of my favorite budgeting methods is YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. YNAB is all about giving every dollar a job. So instead of wondering where your money went at the end of the month, you're making conscious decisions about how you want to allocate your income. Trust me, once you start budgeting intentionally, you'll be amazed at how much money you can free up for your financial goals. Chapter 4, April, Boost Your Income. Okay, so we've talked about managing your expenses, but let's be real, there's only so much you can cut back on. That's why this month, we're focusing on boosting your income. Remember, your earning potential is limitless. So how can you start making more money? Well, start by looking for opportunities in your current job. Can you ask for a raise? Take on more responsibility? If you're hitting it out of the park at work, don't be afraid to negotiate your worth. But don't stop there. Think about starting a side hustle or freelancing in your spare time. The gig economy is booming, and there are endless possibilities to earn extra cash doing something you enjoy. Chapter 5, May, Start Investing. All right, it's time to put your money to work for you and start building long-term wealth through investing. Now, I know investing can seem intimidating, especially for beginners, but it doesn't have to be complicated. One of the easiest and most effective ways to start investing is with index funds. Index funds are like baskets of stocks that track a specific market index like the S&P 500. They're low-cost, diversified, and they've historically provided solid returns over the long term. The key here is to start small, stay consistent with your contributions, and don't try to time the market. Remember, time in the market is always better than timing the market. Chapter 6, June. Build your emergency fund. Okay, before we get too deep into investing, we need to make sure you're prepared for life's unexpected curveballs. That's where your emergency fund comes in. An emergency fund is basically a financial safety net that can cover 3 to 6 months of your living expenses in case of job loss, medical emergencies, or any other unforeseen circumstances. This money should be easily accessible, so I recommend keeping it in a high-yield savings account. Having a solid emergency fund will not only give you peace of mind, but also prevent you from going into debt when unexpected expenses pop up. Chapter 7. July. Tackle high-interest debt. Now that you've got your emergency fund in place, it's time to slay that debt monster. High-interest debt can feel overwhelming, but with a solid plan, you can conquer it. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, can be a huge drain on your finances, so it's crucial to create a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. Start by listing all your debts and their interest rates. One popular method is the debt snowball method, where you focus on paying off your smallest debt first while making minimum payments on your other debts. This method can be very motivating. This can give you a sense of momentum and motivation as you see your debts disappear one by one. Each small victory builds your confidence and keeps you going. Another option is the debt avalanche method, where you prioritize paying off your highest interest debt first. This method can be more cost-effective. This approach can save you money on interest charges in the long run. Whichever method you choose, the key is to stay consistent and keep your end goal in sight. Chapter 8. August. Maximize retirement contributions. All right, it's time to start thinking about your future self. Retirement might seem far away, but the earlier you start saving, the better off you'll be. This month, I want you to review your retirement contributions and see if there's any room to increase them. If you have a 401k through your employer, take full advantage of any employer matching contributions. It's basically free money. And if you haven't already, consider opening a Roth IRA or traditional IRA. The power of compound interest is incredible, so even small contributions can grow significantly over time. Chapter 9. September. Educate yourself. The world of personal finance is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay informed and continue learning. This month, I challenge you to invest in your financial education. There are tons of resources available, from books and podcasts to online courses and workshops. Read books by personal finance experts, listen to podcasts like The Dave Ramsey Show or Choose FI, and consider taking a course on a specific topic that interests you, like real estate investing or stock trading. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. Chapter 10, October, Review and Adjust. We're in the home stretch now, but it's important to remember that financial planning isn't a set-it-and-forget-it kind of deal. This month, take some time to review your progress over the past 9 months. Are you on track to reach your financial goals? Do you need to make any adjustments to your budget, savings plan, or investment strategy? Life is unpredictable, and your financial plan should be flexible enough to adapt to changing circumstances. Chapter 11, November, Plan for Taxes. Nobody likes thinking about taxes, but being proactive can save you time, money, and headaches down the road. This month, start gathering your financial documents like W-2s, 1099s, and receipts for deductible expenses. If you're self-employed or have complex investments, consider consulting with a tax professional to ensure you're taking advantage of all eligible deductions and credits. Remember, proper tax planning is an essential part of wealth building. Chapter 12. December. Reflect and set new goals. Congratulations, you've made it to the end of the year. Take some time to celebrate your accomplishments and acknowledge how far you've come on your financial journey. Look back at the goals you set in January and see what you've achieved. Did you pay off debt? Increase your income? Start investing? Give yourself credit for all the hard work you've put in. Now it's time to set new goals for the coming year. Think big, and don't be afraid to challenge yourself. Remember, financial success is a marathon, not a sprint, and the journey continues. So there you have it, guys, a clear, actionable roadmap to transform your finances in the new year. Remember, consistency is key. By following this roadmap and developing good financial habits, you'll be well on your way to making the new year your richest year yet. Stay committed to your goals and don't forget to track your progress along the way. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more financial tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.